Okay, hello again, and we are back once more. So if you remember last time, I left us a bit further down on the island after having talked to, what was it called? Tooth Rot? Yeah. So after that, I went back up here to play around with the old catapult thing. And yes, you can move it incrementally. And yeah, one of the things that happened was this. So may as well do it now, show you. Looked like it hit the big banana tree on the beach. I bet the odds against that are incredible. Okay, so that was, I guess, what we were supposed to do. But the way it's set up, you're always going to sink your ship. But I looked online just to check that I wasn't going to waste my time. And apparently you can complete the game by sinking your ship or not sinking it. So, but if you're playing it for the first time, I think it's unlikely that you wouldn't sink it, if you know what I mean. If that makes sense. But yeah, I didn't look at the solution. I merely looked at that scenario, and it said you can do either thing. So there we are. So we can carry on our merry way. The other thing I noticed, although I haven't been there yet, is at the end of this dry riverbed is a pond. So let's go there. I didn't go there earlier, so I don't know what's going to be there. Oh, gold, another dead person. Herman, please return our key to the monkey head. The cannibals. Okay, so that's the... Oh no, it's him again. This is an old friend of mine, the one I sailed here with. He's lost. Wait. Never looked better. Bloody hell, sinister. He looks pretty bad. What happened to him? Oh, nasty accident. He was trying to put up a swing. Excuse me, I've got pressing business to attend to. I'm quite scared of this chap. He's not wearing trousers. Yeah, he's bloody totally mad. He's not wearing trousers, and he's quite possibly killed his friend. He doesn't look good. No, well, I'd say that was an understatement. Yeah, he's off again. Okay, well, there's nothing really more to see here. Or is there? I don't see anything special about it. Pick up rope? No. Oh yes, another thing I also discovered when I was looking at the old rock tossing was this noteworthy rock. So if we look at it, I'm no geologist, but judging by these non-coidal doodads, I'd say this is a piece of flint. So it's actually a piece of flint. So yeah, we'll have to start a fire at some point, I imagine. Have I got anything that could be used on the rope? No, I don't. Well, let's use flint. Yes, of course, flint works best with steel. Because flint's such a hard stone that if you brush it against steel, it actually breaks off tiny pieces of the steel, which are then superheated into sparks. Okay, we'll leave him to hang there for a bit, poor chap, and we'll get on with business. So, last time we were... Yeah, we were here, weren't we? So let's see if we can go... Can we go up here? I want to go up here, really. Come on, Guybrush, hurry it up. Yes, good. Oh, hello, vulture. Hey, what's he up to? Come on. Surely you can go over here. Maybe not. Okay, right, we can't go up there by the looks of it. That's a bloody shame. No. Okay, fair enough. Let's... Where is he? He's down there. Okay. Okay, yeah, let's go back to the beach then. Seems we've bonked the old banana tree with a stone. Oh my Christ. Some bananas fell off the tree. Okay. Right, so I've got 2 bananas now. I hope we don't have to bloody well knock the tree every time we want a banana. Because bloody monkey's already eaten one of them. Right, let's have a moment of thought here. So we have to get the banana picker from Frot to give it back to the monkeys, and they'll give us the key to the Monkey Island cave. Have I... See, the rope might be useful for the for getting down this crack. Okay, apologies in advance, but let me see. Maybe if we give the monkey more bananas. Got a bad feeling about this. I'm going to save it. Right, okay. Give banana to monkey until he comes down. Okay, so what is the purpose of this exactly? So he follows us, doesn't he? He's not with us now, though, is he? The monkey's not bloody well following us now. This banana business. Now what? Okay, so he is following us, so we've got to do something involving monkeyness. But what might that be? Well, he's not following us now. That's interesting. Bugger. Let's reload. Fuck the monkey for now. Not literally. Frot said he lives up here. Hello. Yeah, I missed this earlier. Bloody... I tell you, I'm missing too much stuff. The trail ends here. Another bloody cannon. There's rope. Lovely, 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 lovely. Okay. Warning. Objects in spyglass may be further away than they appear. Right, pick that up. Lovely. Let's use it. Nothing to look at here. Okay, let's look at this rope. Good strong stuff. Right, this will be used for the oars, I would say. Let's look at the cannon. It's rusty. I don't think it will work. Use flint with cannon. He actually did something then. What did he do? Alright, he struck a spark there. Okay, so that's probably what we need it for. Right, let's be very careful here and look around, because I keep missing damn things. Back to path it is. Okay, so we've got some rope. So let's... Does that mean we can go over here now? No, the top of the island seems to be cut off. Okay. It's me. It's the river fork. There's nothing up here that we can click on, so maybe we're not supposed to be up there at all. Okay, let's try using the old rope down on in the crack. God knows what this monkey's about. Right, okay. Use rope with strong branch. Hello, Vicar. Lovely. Okay, so now we can go down there. I think we need another piece of rope. Okay, so we can't get the rope back off again. So we'll be able to get back on. So yes, we need another rope. We must need another rope, and that's probably the one that's tying Matey up. Really not sure what to do now. Try riverbed. We can't actually go on the riverbed. Bet I've missed something somewhere. Okay, let's try and... So we need this rope. Pull hanging corpse. Right, so pretty sure we need that bloody rope anyway. Let's go to the beach again. Oh, the bottle's gone. Yep, bugger all there. Right, let's go back to the clearing then. I don't think there was anything here though, was there? Gettable. Yeah, just all the yipes and all that nonsense. No. Right. Don't go there, you bastard. Maybe if we had the oars back in commission, we could sail around to the top. Something to do with that damn monkey, but God knows what. Okay, so I have just wasted a hell of a lot of time trying to work out what to do. I've just thought of something, but I've no idea how to make it happen. But so there's a dry riverbed, and there's a dam, and that dam feeds in. You know, the dry river would feed into here. So if this was to fill up with water, the log here would rise and the hanging chap would come down. So I think that's how we do that, but I have no idea how to break the dam. So that doesn't really help us. I mean, you'd need explosives of some kind. And the way this is designed, I can't imagine there's going to be an animation of the water spilling out of here. So it's going to have to happen outside of this screen. Perhaps the cannon. I don't know. But I think that's the only way of getting the rope. No. Okay, after another bit of pointless wandering around, I made a little breakthrough. Just going to each place trying to figure out. So here, I went back to here where I got the spyglass and the rope, and I was playing around with the flint on the old cannon, and then I thought maybe we can push the cannon in the direction of the dam. That was my thinking, and this happened. Yes. Fucking cannonballs come out. Hey, nice spyglass. Looks just like... Say, where is my spyglass? Oh, perfect. I'm gone 5 minutes and somebody comes in here and dumps gunpowder all over the floor. Naturally, I don't think you had anything to do with it. I'm sure it's just a coincidence that you came in here to prowl around right after some mysterious person dirtied up my nice clean floor. Sorry? I saw a monkey leaving here. He must have done it. Yes, yes. You don't fool me, sonny. Right. Piss off, you bloody creepy pervert maroon pirate bastard. Right, okay, let's have a look at this cannonball. There are 3 holes in it. Uh-huh. A bowling ball, perhaps? Right, I'll pick that up. Okay, and we've also got gunpowder here, by the looks of it. Yeah. Black and explosive, just the way I like it. Can we pick it up? Yep, just like that. I've got a handful of... So we can pick up some more. Right, so now we have got some ingredients here to blow that bloody dam. Not quite sure what to do with that bowling ball cannonball thing. Okay, right, let's try this hypothesis. I've got to go to work in a minute, so let's see if we can make this happen. Right, use handful of gunpowder with dam. Yes, okay, we're onto something here. Right, can we use, okay, use flint with cannonball. Shit. Oh, well, there was an animation. I'll be darned. Yes. Oh my god. In the words of Hannibal Smith, I love it when a plan comes together. Yes. Haha. Okay. Excellent. It doesn't look good. No, we've established that, but we've got the bloody rope now. Ah, oh, feels good. What? Why not? Oh, pick the damn thing up, man. Ah, okay. I must have clicked on the corpse. Okay, right. Now we are in business. Let's go down to the crack and get down into it, so to speak. We are making progress, chaps. See, I could have looked up the solution, but instead I've invested 14 minutes of bastard time. But yeah, I do feel a sense of achievement at least. Right, here we go. Use rope on sturdy stump. Yes. Fucking yes. Come on then. Right. Let's pick up the oars. Lovely. Okay, I haven't really done much, so I don't think this will be enough for an episode. So I'll probably just add to it later. That's what I'll do. But, right, next thing to do, I think, is to go and attach the oars to this. Use oars. Oh. Use oars with rowboat. I can paddle it with these oars. Yes, you bloody well can. Ah, yes, it worked, it worked. So now we can go around to the other side of the island. Still don't know what to do with the old monkey there. I was feeding it lots of bananas, but oh, it's a bit slow. Oh, that's my alarm. Gotta go to work. Treat. Right, shall I just sack work off for the day and play this? It's tempting, but no, better not. God, he's bloody slow. Come on. Yeah, what I'll do is I'll come back later and we can carry on. But I want to see what's up here before I go to work. He ever bloody gets there. Yeah, as far as I can tell, I was on a previous go earlier. I was feeding the bananas to the monkey, and it wasn't doing anything. He would follow me for a bit and then carry on. Then I went back up to the top of the mountain and tried every configuration I could think of to fire rocks willy-nilly, because I thought that might break the dam. That didn't work. Here we are. But the other thing that didn't happen was that the hitting the banana tree didn't make any difference. So you can't hit it a second time, which means those bananas are a finite resource. So I'm thinking maybe you just feed all the bananas to the monkey and then it'll help you later, perhaps. But I haven't done it just in case. Right, let's just read this note. Cannibals, I'm not giving you bloodsuckers your key to the monkey head until you return my banana picker. HT. Right. Okay, let's leave it here and I'll come back a bit later and I'll just stick it on the end of here. But I'm off to work now. Cheerio. Okay, hello. I've since been to work, come back, had a nice bit of stew, and now I'm back on it. So, we have pitched up on this alien shore on the north side of the island. And what have we got here? We've got a bloody village. Okay. Okay. Right, let's go straight there. Look at it go. Oh. Oh, this could be the this is the cannibals village, I suppose. Lots of skulls everywhere. I have to be careful here. So, right, what can we do here? Walk to hut. There's lots of different huts to visit, so let's go for this one. 2 empty huts. Good. Let's make this as easy as possible. Whoa, I can't see inside from here, but I'll bet it's empty. Yeah, I reckon you've got a point there, old chum. Empty? Boy, this is the emptiest hut I've ever seen. No two ways about it. This hut's empty. What if this one's empty? I'll bet if I looked up empty in the dictionary, there'd be a picture of this hut. Now this one doesn't look as empty. Right, we've got some... right, it's just door. It's the only clickable thing. Hello, Vicar. Look at this thing. Crikey. Oh, there's lots of bananas there. Oh, bowl of fruit and bananas. An offering, perhaps. Okay, let's have a look at this. It looks big and empty. He's got empty on the brain now. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Surprised they're not letting me have one of these spears. Okay, let's have a look at these. Some nice juicy bananas. Bananas aren't juicy though, are they? Looks a little overripe, except for those nice juicy bananas. Okay, I think they want us to pick those up, so to add to our banana collection. So we've got 4 of the damn things now. One's already residing in the monkey's gutty wats. Can we pick up the fruit? He probably won't want that, I suppose. No thanks. The rest is no good. Okay. Right, I suppose we better go in here. This door appears to be locked. Perhaps this is just to get these bananas. Can't think of anything else we might. I'll tell you what, let's chuck the cannonball in his mouth. Silly. Okay. Right. Okay. Well, there we are. I think we've just come... Oh, shit. Is that a banana in your pocket, or are you just glad to see us? Oh, you've got a lot of nerve stealing from the notorious Monkey Island cannibals. You're cannibals? Well, yes. Although lately we've been trying to stay away from red meat. Only for health reasons. We're still as vicious as ever, especially with tourists who try to steal our stuff for souvenirs. Well, what do you have to say for yourself? Don't eat me, I'm a mighty pirate. Don't eat me, I'll give you anything. Oh, go ahead and eat me, see if I care. Look behind you, a free-headed monkey. I should have probably saved this. Actually, I can save it now because, yeah, I'll just save it just in case. So far, I've saved this game 27 times. Right. Let's try the old free-headed monkey trick. Do you really think we're that stupid? I thought it was going to work then. I wouldn't push it if I were you. Don't eat me, I'm a mighty pirate. Hello! That means his skin will be leathery and his meat tough and stringy. That's quite scary. You are of no use to us, nutritionally speaking, but if you had some sort of offering for us, something that we could pass on to the great monkey, we might be persuaded to let you leave here uncooked. Well, hell, that is pretty scary. Right. Well, they're cannibals, and we've got a cannonball. How about that? Give them cannonball. Yuck, no thanks. Oh, obviously you have nothing for us. We might eat you, we might let you go. We'll have to talk about it with the village nutritionists. Come, let me show you our guest hut. Oh dear. Maybe there's no way out of that, I don't know. Yeah, I think we're probably supposed to. That should do it. Okay, they've barricaded the door from without with a couple of damn spears. Aha! It's the banana picker. I like this room. Right, let's get this memo. To the ghost pirate LeChuck, we must protest your acquisition of our voodoo antiroot. We realize that it presents a hazard to you and your crew, but this is Thievery, the Monkey Island cannibals. Okay. Bowl of bones. I do like a bowl of bones. I think that's how I'll end up if I don't get out of here soon. Maybe we can pick them up. Maybe. No thanks, they've still got some meat on them. Oof. There's no way I'm getting that banana picker in my pocket, surely. It says, if found, please return to Herman Toothrot. Okay. Just look at everything, make sure we know what we're doing. What a cute little skull. Well, let's pick the damn thing up then. Yes, I like skulls, I must say. I mean, it's quite macabre, but I do like a bit of skull now and then. Right, let's look at these vines. I don't think hanging myself is the answer. Okay. And we've got a window. Okay, we need to escape here. I can't get through it. Okie dokie. Let's use the banana picker. Use banana picker on door. There are no bananas to pick there. Okay, so he's somehow got that massive contraption on his person. Right, let's use it. Use banana picker on the vines. There are no bananas to pick there. Okay, so no banana picking action in here. Okay, right. There's more vines there. Okay. What we got here? Okay, I'm going to have to think about this. Maybe just try and open the door. This door appears to be locked. Turn on banana picker. No, okay. Okay, can't get through it. Okay, so we've got vines. No more clickable bones except the bowl of bones. Is that a contraption of some kind, or is it just vines? That looks like an anchor, but it's, I suppose it's not. What should we do? Oh, wait a minute. It said loose board. Haha. Looks loose. Okay, let's pull on the loose board. Here we go. I might fit through that hole, but I don't think this banana picker will. Ah. And no, I'm not getting squeamish. I'd love to eat the guy. So let's do it. But think of your archeries. We are cannibals, for crying out loud. Yeah, but cannibals have to watch their saturated fats just like everyone else. Okay, we escaped from the village, but the banana picker's still in there. I'll tell you what. I'll just save it and then I'll walk back into what happens. Or shall I? Yeah, let's save it. Right, save 28 times now. Right, let's see what happens. Aha. Okay, so we still can't get in there. Fair enough, worth a try. I hope they're not here. They bloody well are. Shit. Ah, the banana thief returns to the scene of the crime. Maybe we should just eat him right now. Do you have any idea how much cholesterol is in one of these things? Now then, how did you break out of our hut and why did you come back? That's a good question. Oh dear. Probably won't. Don't eat me, I'll give you anything. Anything? I'll give you one more chance to trade something of yours for your freedom. Oh, God. Spyglass. Yeah. I don't mean there's any way. Oh, I can keep going, can I? Something tells me I shouldn't have come back. Oh dear. That should do it. Okay, they've really nailed it on now. And we'll just go down through here like before. Okay, so that can be just done over and over again. I don't think we're supposed to go back yet. It's all about the bananas. We need to go back to the monkey. But I'm going to go down here just to see what else there might be, if anything. Come on, Guybrush, step on it. Is that? God, yeah. Anything? It's been nice to have a little secret around here, perhaps. But no. Okay. Where did I leave my canoe? Or rowboat? Is it there a bit further on? Yes, okay. Okie dokie. Let's get in the old rowboat. Oh no, he's giving it beans. Look at that. Whee. Come on. Faster. Goes faster, diagonal line. Right, we're going to feed the bananas to the monkey and see what happens. Come on, faster than that, man. Ah! Right, if you hold down the mouse button, he goes for it. Or does he? Come on! Oh, there you go. I just need to give him a definite direction. Fair enough. Okay, right. Let's fill this monkey up with bananas. Where is he? There he is. Okay, it's your lucky day. Banana Fest. Eesh. Okay, there we are. Let's give him another one. Skins and all. Give another banana. One more. Hopefully this has done something. Oh. It's done shit all. Or maybe you'll... Yeah, maybe you'll follow us properly now that I've given them bananas. Oh shit. Oh, that didn't work. That's all my bloody bananas gone. Wait a second. The monkey's gone. Oh no. Oh, he's following me. Yes, okay, right. So, where would require monkey? He doesn't seem to want to go on the beach with me. Yes, right, okay. Maybe up to the old monkey, the secret entrance, perhaps. Is he still with me? He is as well. Okay, it just doesn't appear on these. Wait a second. Maybe though, if I go in the boat, he'll follow me on the mainland. Oh no, he's here. Good. Haha. Right. What's this going to do, I wonder? No. Okay, right, I think we need to go... Yeah, the offering that the cannibals want is probably a monkey. So, right. Sorry about this, but we're going to have to peg it all the way back down, get in our boat, and hopefully that'll be it. It's just throwing me off that he wasn't following me. Yes, he's not following me. But hopefully once we get in the boat, he's going to be on it. Come on then. Right, where is he? Is that him there? Yes. Okay, is he following me? Doesn't look like it, does it? Maybe he will, maybe he will. Who knows? No, scratch that idea. Right, back we go. Right, okay. Here's monkey. Here he is. Okay, right. It can't be the fort. Tell you what, I'm going to leave it here because this added to the other session. That's probably long enough. I feel as though we're on the cusp of completing this, but or getting near the end. But yeah, let's leave it here. Just one more time, see if he'll follow me on here. No, he's not going to, is he? Bastard. Okay, right. See you soon. Cheerio.